Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss our first chapter of literature, that is partition. So, let's start our lesson. This story is about partition and how it affects the lives of many people till date. This story is written by Guljar. Guljar was born in Kalra Sikh family to Makhan Singh Kalra and Sujan Kaur in Dina, Jhelum district, British India, now in Pakistan. Before becoming a writer, Sampurna took up lots of jobs in Mumbai. One of them was in garage where he used to touch the accident cars by creating sets of paints. The purpose of writing the partition was to reveal the pain and difficulty of people during the partition of India and Pakistan. The way the right took away thousands of lives, children were separated from parents, relatives were separated, houses were destroyed, and everywhere was a sound of fear. British India was partitioned into India and Pakistan in 1947. When the country won independence, the partition led to riots resulting in the deaths of hundreds of thousands of people and a big wave of migration. Millions of people moved to what they hoped would be a safer place for them, with Muslims heading to Pakistan and Hindus and Sikhs to India. The story begins with the friendly letters which the writer received from a man named Iqbal, in which he said that he is the writer's brother. The writer always said that he is not Iqbal's brother and that he is with his family in Delhi. But after some days, he stopped answering the letters and the letters stopped coming. After a few years, when the writer was out of Delhi, he received a letter from the uh, former finance minister's wife. She said that a man named Harbhajan Singh wants to meet him. The writer said that he could only meet them when he will come back to Delhi. After a few days, when the writer arrived, he went to meet Harbhajan, from whom he also received a letter which told that he is the writer's father. When he arrived to meet them, Harbhajan Singh introduced him to the mother and son named Iqbal, from whom he received the letters. Then Harbhajan Singh narrated the incident of partition where he got separated from their two children. He began with the introduction of the sons. Oldest one was Iqbal, a daughter named Satya, and the youngest one was Sampurna, whom they were suspecting as the writer. Then he narrated the whole incident. They lived in their village, and the Jamindar of the village was very kind to them and always consoled them. But they, loaded with fear, left the village as a caravan. They were traveling to Jammu. On the way itself, they lost their two children, Satya and Sampurna, in the night. Because the rumor spread that there would be an attack of Mianwali that night. Uh, he has never heard such a silence of fear and terror. That night, they set out again. After many years, they posted a letter to the Jamindar, whose name was Afzal Chacha, and to his son Ayaz. But after a few, only they received a letter from them telling them about the death of Afzal Chacha, and also it had information about a girl named Satya. They quickly went to see their long lost daughter, and when they narrated the incident to her, they felt as if they were narrating a story. The mother's eyes were still dry, but Darji's voice sounded full of tears again. They set out again. They met Dilsad there at Afzal Chacha's house. She remembered everything. She told them she grew tired of walking. She was sleepy. She went and lay down behind a tandoor in the courtyard of some house. When she woke up, there was nobody there. All day long, she would look everywhere and then return to sleep in the same place. After 3 days, when the owner of the house returned, they woke her up. They keep her with them, thinking someone would come looking for her, but no one came. The owner gave her food and clothes, and they keep her well. She got married. She now have two sons. One is in the Pakistan Air Force and other one has a good job in Karachi. After narrating the incident, the writer noticed that tears were rolling out of Darji's Harbhajan Singh eyes. But the writer disappointed them by telling them all the details of his family and came back. After many years, he received a letter from Iqbal saying that Harbhajan Singh had died, and then he thought that narrator thought that he really lost his Darji. The mother had said that the youngest one must be informed. So he felt as though he had indeed lost my Darji. Sampoon Singh Kalra, popularly known by his pen name Guljar, is an Indian poet, scriptwriter, storyteller, and film director. He is a recipient of the Sahitya Academy Award, the Padma Bhushan, and the Dada Sahab Phalke Award. He was also awarded an Oscar in 2008. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next chapter. Thank you.